Tammy Slaton, one of the two stars of the hit TLC reality series 1000 LB Sisters, has long been at the center of viral conversations, public scrutiny, and intense fan debates. But in a twist few could have predicted, a new wave of commentary has emerged, one that compares her extreme body size and far sheer structure not to health-related issues or conventional body image standards, but to Botox. That's right. Fans on social media have started likening Tammy Slaton's facial puffiness and expressions to the effects of cosmetic injectables, prompting both ridicule and reflection across the internet. The reaction came seemingly out of nowhere. A few slowed-down TikTok clips, a couple of reaction videos on YouTube, and an entire Reddit thread were all it took for the conversation to spiral out of control. At the center of the controversy is not just Tammy's appearance, but what it symbolizes to a fandom that is increasingly split between support, satire, and scathing criticism. Tammy Slaton's journey on 1000 LB Sisters has been anything but smooth. From the earliest episodes, she was positioned as the more defiant, emotionally volatile sister in comparison to Amy Slaton, who, despite her own health struggles, seemed to exhibit more control, discipline, and determination to change. While Amy underwent gastric bypass surgery and began losing weight, Tammy's story was far more tumultuous. She battled depression, addiction to food, health scares including COVID-19, and intense family confrontations that often ended in screaming matches or tears. Yet throughout all of that, Tammy's appearance remained a key focal point for viewers. The swelling in her face, neck, and upper body, due to both weight gain and lymphatic obstruction, created a physical form that viewers frequently struggled to contextualize. Some described her as unrecognizable, while others claimed her look was unnatural. This slowly fed into a culture of online mockery, where her enlarged cheeks and immobile facial muscles were frequently ridiculed, until someone, somewhere, made the comparison to Botox. It was meant to be a joke, another jab in a long line of memes and tweets poking fun at the Slaton sisters. But the Botox comment didn't fade into the noise. Instead, it stuck. Tammy doesn't even need Botox, one fan tweeted. Her face is frozen like a real housewife already. Another chimed in, is it just me or does Tammy's face look like she's got more filler than a Beverly Hills reunion? And suddenly, a floodgate of memes opened up. Side-by-side images of Tammy next to Botox-treated celebrities began circulating. Commenters added sarcastic captions like, when you gain 400 pounds but save $3,000 on lip injections, or, Tammy's the only person who got the, no emotion, look naturally. Quote, but this comparison, while humorous to some, sparked a deeper divide in the 1000 LB Sisters fandom. Some viewers found the remarks cruel, body-shaming, and entirely inappropriate. It's not Botox, it's a severe health issue, one fan wrote in a now viral Reddit comment. She's not vain, she's sick. Comparing her to someone who chooses plastic surgery is so tone-deaf. Others defended the jokes, arguing that Tammy herself has been known to lash out, insult her family members, and create drama for the camera. She dishes it out, so she better be able to take it, wrote one user. If she can curse out Amy or cuss out nurses on camera, why can't we roast her a little? The debate quickly grew beyond Tammy. It touched on broader issues of body positivity, disability, and the ethical line between humor and harm. Experts weighed in, with some plastic surgeons explaining that while Botox creates a frozen look by paralyzing facial muscles, Tammy's immobility is likely due to subcutaneous edema, pressure on facial nerves, and severe fluid retention. This isn't a cosmetic choice, one doctor noted in a YouTube explainer. It's a sign of medical distress. That statement resonated with viewers who had grown tired of the body-shaming tone online and wanted the fandom to recenter around empathy rather than entertainment. Still, the Botox narrative persisted. Tammy's recent appearance on Season 5 did little to change the conversation. Despite showing some progress in her weight loss journey, she remains dramatically overweight, and her facial features, especially her cheeks, lips, and jawline, remain largely unchanged. In a confessional scene, Tammy addressed the online trolls, saying, people think they're funny comparing me to some Botox junkie or Hollywood diva. I'm just trying to stay alive. That's my goal, not to look pretty or fake. Just to live. The moment was raw and heartbreaking for some fans, and unconvincing for others, who viewed it as another ploy for sympathy. What complicates the narrative further is that Tammy, at times, appears to court attention online. Her TikTok videos, featuring lip syncs and duets, often highlight her face in dramatic close-ups. Whether intentionally or not, she has created a sort of digital persona where her appearance is both a spectacle and a statement. Critics argue that by putting herself out there in such a bold way, she opens the door for public commentary, however cruel. Supporters counter that no one deserves mockery based on a medical condition, regardless of how public their life has become. Then there's the cultural double standard. As some fans pointed out, comparing Tammy's face to Botox isn't just offensive, it's indicative of a society that judges women harshly whether they're too fat, too thin, too natural, or too artificial. We shame women for gaining weight, we shame them for getting surgery, we shame them for aging naturally, and we shame them for trying to fix it, one fan wrote on a Facebook group dedicated to the show. Tammy can't win. Neither can any woman who doesn't fit a perfect mold. Tammy herself has grown increasingly vocal in her resistance to online negativity. In a series of recent TikTok posts, she directly addressed the Botox comparisons. "I don't look like them fake chicks on TV," she said. "And I ain't trying to. This is me. This is what life did to me. Not injections, not a doctor's office, just life." Her words struck a chord with fans who have followed her since the show's beginning. For them, Tammy represents not just a reality TV figure, but a symbol of resilience, flawed, struggling, but ultimately human. Still, the memification of her image continues. In a digital culture obsessed with quick laughs, viral trends, and shock value, Tammy Slaton has become an unlikely likeness. G-Rod. Her face is not just a face, it's a battleground. Between fans and critics, between support and satire, between reality and representation. What the Botox comparison phenomenon really reveals is the strange, often cruel way audiences relate to reality TV stars. When you are on screen long enough, your pain becomes plot. Your suffering becomes spectacle. Your image becomes a meme. And in Tammy's case, her swollen face, so often the source of her struggle, has become something others see as a punchline, rather than a cry for help. As 1000 LB Sisters continues into its next season, producers may be forced to reckon with the shifting tone of the fandom. Is the show a compassionate look at obesity and family? Or is it a reality freak show, designed to provoke, mock, and exploit? For Tammy Slaton, that question is more than philosophical. It's personal. Every time her face is compared to Botox, she loses a little more of her humanity in the eyes of an audience that should have known better. Yet, amid all the noise, a quiet resistance is forming. Fans who once laughed are now questioning their complicity. Viewers who once scrolled past hurtful comments are beginning to speak up. "She's more than her face," one commenter posted under a clip of Tammy singing. "She's more than a meme. She's someone's sister, someone's daughter. And whether you love her or hate her, you can't deny she's survived more than most of us ever will." In a world where faces are filtered, sculpted, and filled until they all look the same, perhaps Tammy's unfiltered, unedited relit. Why is what people really fear, the truth of what life can do to a person when the world only offers judgment instead of help. So, as the debate rages on and the Botox jokes continue to circulate, one thing remains clear: Tammy Slaton is no longer just a character on a TLC show. She is a mirror, and what we see in her face says more about us than it does about her. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.